Now we are going to discuss about polymorphism using real life examples, real time examples, and then we will try to discuss about the types of polymorphism, and then we will try to discuss the advantages of polymorphism. So first, what is a polymorphism? So polymorphism formal definition is function to take on multiple forms. If a function can take on multiple forms, then it can be considered as a polymorphism. So first, what is polymorphism? Poly means many, morphism means forms or ways. So that's the definition about the polymorphism. So we can relate that with the real life examples or real time examples. So for example, if we can consider this as a boy, so this boy can behave differently at various places. For example, in school he can behave like a student, in market he behaves like a customer, in office he behaves like a professional. Here the same person or same boy is behaving differently at various situations based on the various scenarios. So similarly, if a code or if a method or if a function behaves differently based on situation, then that can be considered as a polymorphism. Types of polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism: method overloading and then method overriding. Method overloading can be considered as compile time polymorphism, which means the compile time polymorphism is the respective method would be determined at the compile time itself, whereas runtime polymorphism is the method that needs to be triggered would be determined only during the runtime. So I have covered about the method overloading and method overriding in a detail in Java course. Please try to enroll that course also for better learning purposes. So method overloading means same method but with different operations. Different operations means here add. These are two methods having the same name called add. In the first method it will try to add two numbers, whereas in case of second method it will try to add three numbers, a, b, c. So here the same method is acting differently based on the situations. That's called method overloading. Whereas in case of method overriding, runtime polymorphism, suppose if we consider two classes called child class and parent class. Child class inherits the parent class. Here both classes are having getPropertyVal method. If you are trying to access the method using child class object, then child class getPropertyVal would be triggered. Whereas in case of if you are trying to access the object using parent class, then parent class getPropertyVal method would be triggered. Here the methods are triggered based on the object at the runtime. That's why it's called runtime polymorphism. So please be clear that I have covered about these things in a detailed manner using Java programs in a separate course called Java course. So to learn more about these things, you can enroll that course also for better understanding and better learning purposes. And then advantages. Advantages means single name can be used for same type of methods. For example, here add. Both are having the same names, but first method is trying to add two numbers a, b, whereas second method is trying to add three numbers a, b, c. So that's the advantage and main advantage of polymorphism.